Hello everyone, today we perform activity about a pressure.
We know that the pressure force per unit area is defined as pressure. Pressure is equal to force upon area. The SI unit of pressure is Pascal.
Now we start the activity. We observe that when area will be decreased, then pressure will be increased. Now increase the area. We observe that when area will be increased, then pressure will be decreased.